In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the online marketplace of DHgate and make your purchase efficiently and securely. Online shopping can be a breeze if done right, and using a platform like DHgate is no exception. Whether you're browsing for electronics, fashion, or unique items, knowing the right steps can save you time and ensure a satisfying online shopping experience. To get started, you'll first want to go to DHgate's website. You can easily do this by entering DHgate into your preferred search engine or simply typing www.dhgate.com directly into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by a vibrant interface filled with offers and featured products. Now let's dive into browsing and selecting a product. Here's where the fun really begins. Start by thinking about what you're looking for. Do you have something specific in mind? Or are you just browsing to see what's available? There are various categories you can explore, from gadgets to apparel. As you look through the options, it's useful to compare items based on their descriptions, prices, and reviews from other buyers. While browsing, you'll notice various filters on the side. These can help narrow down options to best meet your preferences and needs. Once you find an item you're interested in, click on it to get more detailed information. Here you'll see images, detailed specs, and customer reviews, which can give you insights into the quality and reliability of the product. Satisfied with your choice? Proceed to add the item to your cart. Now let's move on to the next crucial step, checking out. Navigate to your shopping cart and take a moment to review all the items you've selected. Double check that everything is correct, quantity, sizing, and any other details that are important to your purchase. Once everything looks good, proceed by clicking on the Checkout button. In the checkout process, you'll need to confirm your payment method. DHgate supports various options, so choose the one that feels most secure and convenient for you. Enter your payment details, ensuring that all the information is correct to avoid any issues later. In addition to payment, you also need to verify your shipping address. Be precise with this step because it determines where your package will be delivered. Finally, when you're confident that everything looks perfect, click Buy to complete your purchase. A confirmation screen will pop up, and soon after, you'll receive an email with receipt details of your purchase. And that's it. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated DHgate and made a purchase. Always ensure that your accounts and payment methods are secure to enjoy a worry-free online shopping experience. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide makes your next online shopping endeavor a smooth one.